Good morning, good day. Mr. O here. I'm here to show you how to do the Shingoki puzzle. Um, this one that I'm about to show you will be the third one that I ever do. So I'm just learning right along with you, but I figure, um, heck, I may as well gotta start somewhere. And where we're gonna start is on the internet, puzzle dash, or yeah, puzzle-shingoki.com. All right, so here we go. Puzzle I just did. Let's try a new puzzle. So the idea here, and I think you can watch the tutorial that I posted in your assignment, but the idea, ladies and gentlemen, is that when you're going through a circle here, if it's a white circle, you go straight through. If it's a dark circle, you got to bend. You have to bend. So, and that's the only rules. The other thing is with the number, this is how many straight lines are coming from this particular puzzle. Let's make it a little bigger. Is that better or worse? All right. So, find that if I set my phone too close to the speakers, it makes noise. All right, so see here, I have a 5 here. Now, obviously, if this has got to go straight through, it's not going to be able to come through here. So that's not the case. And the other thing about this is that there has to be one continuous loop. You probably remember this from loops, which is pretty fun. So there's one there. Now I need to have, from here, I need to have 5. I cannot bend because it's a white. So it's going to have to go straight through, and I need to have 5 total. Now this here, this arm bending, this means we're starting a new straight line. So of this 5, the only way this is possible, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So coming from this side, I get 1. From this side, I get 4 more. So that's a 5. And then now we can officially turn. Now there's no place, you can't have a branch, you can't have a T intersection, so there's nothing that can connect there. Nothing can connect there either. All right, let's see what else. We know that this 3 is going to have to go straight through, something similar. This bend, so I get 1 here, and I have to go 1 more. So that's our 3. Now, if I went another one, then this number would be a 4. So that's why it's warning me to say, don't do that. Don't do that. No. So I put X there. And so this has to turn, and once again, this 2 has to turn. Either I'm going to turn this way or turn this way, but I certainly cannot go here. So the 2 could potentially go up. This is one of the 2, by the way. The other one will be here or here. Now, if the 2 went down, I would have to go straight through, and all of a sudden 1, 2, 3 on that 2. So that's not going to work. It's going to have to be a stopping point. So this 2 is definitely bending this way. 1, 2 is done. So we have to turn again. What else we got here? This 2 we're going to have to go straight through, either straight through here or straight through here. Well, let's see. We'll have to come back to that in a second. This 4 is going to be straight through, but it can't go here. So 1, 2, and then I have to go. There has to be 4 total. So this one's definitely a turn. So that's only 1 there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 total. And then I have to turn. Since this is turning down here, boom, boom. There's nothing that can connect here, none of these spots. Go here. So certainly that doesn't connect. I have to go up. All right. Now this 3, this is going to be pretty fancy. Because, yep, we're going to have to go around like this. I could see it now. Notice this 3 is going to have to go here. It's going to have to turn like this, which is not possible, obviously, because we would run into this other line. So 1, 2, that's our turn. So we got 1 here. We're going to need 2 more here. So there's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 lines that makes this 3. All right, so obviously this is a corner. Can't have anything there. So this 3 is very clearly like this. Cannot go into this corner, so I have to turn up. And because this is white, it's open, it has to go straight through. So 1, 2 is done, and I will have to go here because this 3 needs 1, 2, and needs 1 more. So 1, 2, 3 makes this 3. 1, 2 makes it 2, got to go left. It has to turn, so 1, 2, and I have to turn again because, again, well, first of all, if it did this, you'd have a T intersection. That's certainly not allowed. But 1, 2 is done. So if I put another one there, that'd be too many. There. You hit done. Create yourself a screenshot. Include the time. And you can even include the puzzle ID. And then you are all set. So try a few of those. Spend some time doing that. See if you can beat my new world record of 4 minutes and 7 seconds. I'm sure you can. It'll be fantastic.